morning.
Good morning.
Okay, welcome to the Smart Talk Show. My name is Intan Pushadi Putri and my NPM 2002183334 as the host who will guide this in. Okay, in this episode we will discuss several things including the culture of small talk, the concept of environmentally friendly building, and then the work that makes a difference in the world of civil engineering. Right here, I have four of my short who are students from the Fakultas Civil Engineering Class E, Universitas Atmajaya Yogyakarta. First, there is Franciscus Handika. And then second, there is Eko Suryo Nugroho. Then, three is Aditya Septa Tariga. The last is Indri Yulaiha. Hello Indri. Okay, in this first session, we will start with the topic of discuss small talk culture. The culture of small talk is a strike where someone who meets someone talks about small things, whether it's related to work or profession, colleague, sport, music, government, play jokes, and more. Francis Sandi.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Pucha. In my personal opinion, the small talk culture should be applicable in the conversation. I emphasize again is that the existence of this culture can also strengthen the relationship between one another.
No, if Echo is alone, do you agree with the statement given by Handika, the generating the culture of small talk, maybe?
Thank you, Mrs. Dova, for the time and place. From my opinion, I do not agree with the information given by Franciscus. The reason I say that because the culture of small talk is more towards conversation. That seem relaxed, not necessarily. All the situation can be said to be relaxed as a whole. That's my opinion, Miss Ocha.
Okay, so there is a different saying yes between Eko and Handika. It's her. Well, if regarding to Aditya, which one do you agree more, or do you have more and another statement maybe, Aditya?
Yeah. All right. In my personal opinion, I agree more with Mas Eko opinion earlier. In addition to talks, the seem relaxed and not necessarily in accordance with the situation. This culture of smart talk also leads to less important matters in general.
Sorry. Beforehand, in my opinion, Brother Ardit, the small talk culture does not mean discussing things that are less important or seem trite. Culture is basically needed to start a conversation, and it is very useful in other discussion.
Sorry, I will respond you, Indri. How useful is it? The conversation that seem relaxed is only waste the time, you know?
That's right. In addition, our focus on discussing the main topics has become less focused and less efficient.
Okay, for all this talk, I can draw a conclusion. This small talk culture is basically necessarily to start the conversation starting stake, but adjustment to the location and condition are very necessary so that the conversation does not seem stale and more efficient. Okay, maybe topic one is enough, and we will continue to next topic. Okay. Okay. Next, we will continue to topic two. Topic two is discuss of environmentally friendly building. First, I will ask Aditya. Aditya, what is your review on the concept of environmentally friendly building, Aditya?
In my view, one of the things that is said to be an environmentally friendly buildings is included in the green building category. Right. Because from the name alone, we can see that the green building is a building that has a cool atmosphere.
Sorry, Aditya. I cut off the conversation. But the factor of environmentally friendly buildings lies not only in the green building, but also many other factors that must be met so that the building can be said to be an environmentally friendly building.
Sorry, Indri, but basically what you said earlier, but I emphasize that what I said earlier in is one of the factor.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Okay. Oh, enough. Now I want to ask about Hanika. Do you want to say something, maybe?
Okay, in my opinions, a building can be said be environmentally friendly. It is created from a construction, from the planning, implementation, and use of and products that are environmentally friendly and energy. efficient.
Okay, thank you so much, Adika. Eko, what about you today?
Okay, Ms. Ocha, thank you for your attention. I think that it has been answered by the others. Now, I just want to add my opinion. Environmentally friendly buildings have partners of the health, after that, comfort for occupants and the people who will use them. That's my opinion, Ocha.
Alright, I see and I know about that. Okay, no, I want to ask again about environmentally friendly building and then for now and in the future, especially in Indonesian, okay? Please, for those who want to answer, raise hand please. Ooh. Okay, Eko, you want to talk about that?
Okay, so far, I will try to argue. I think there are a lot of environmentally friendly buildings in Indonesia. However, basically of application of environmentally friendly buildings in Indonesia is still far by other countries due to public awareness of importance of environmentally friendly buildings concept of the future. That's my opinion, Nakoja. Thank you.
If what I get from Eco means that this eco-friendly building is very effective and efficient, right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, thank you, Eco. Dika, what do you think about it?
Actually, yes, I agree with Eco opinions. And then about this concept, I prefer the green building concept. Why I interest with this concept? Because it is very important for us, especially for Indonesian. This must be implemented in Indonesia. But if it's not implemented, then our children and grandchildren will be inherited with negative things such as the lack of open field because the land is used as building and settlements. Okay, thank you, Puja.
Well, at last I will ask Indri, and also Adit opinion. Please start with Indri first.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Kota. For me, I just want to add the development countries like Singapore have proven the benefits that can be obtained from the application of this concept. Well, in Indonesia, we must immediately apply the concept of green building as a whole. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, next, how about you, brother Aditya?
It is true what my friend said. The concept of environmentally friendly building has many benefits, so it needs to be applied. Now I see that I have started to apply this concept, such as the Pacific Place building in the Ministry of Public Works and so on. In the future, I hope Indonesia will be filled with environmentally friendly buildings because there will be many benefits to be obtained, and I'm sure that in the future, this environmentally friendly building concept will be applied as a whole in Indonesia. Maybe that's my opinion. I throw it to Pocha.
Alright, thank you all. Thank you, Eko. Thank you, Dika. Thank you, Aditya, and thank you, Indri, for our opinion. So from our discuss, we can conclude that a building can decide be environmentally friendly if this meets the standard set by construction expert or science or official standard from abroad, one of which is green building. Okay, enough for topic 2. The next week we will discuss topic 3, okay? Thank you. Okay, no. Topic 3. Topic 3 discuss about what? Topic 3 is discuss about job in civil engineering. The first, according to Adit, what do you think about finding a job in civil engineering, Adit?
Currently, the work of the civil engineering department is very much needed in the era of development which continues to advance but returns to ourselves. Because looking for a job in civil engineering is very dependent on the skill we have. Because many companies are only looking for people who are expert with certain skill.
Well, I understand what you say, Adit. No, the second question, how many people think that civil engineering jobs are synonymous with architecture? Is that true? Hello, Adit.
Hello, Edith. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Before that, you have to know the difference between civil engineering and architecture. Many people think that they are the same, even though they have difference. The difference is the work of civil engineering learns how to make strong, economical, and sustainable building structure in accordance with existing land. Although architecture focus on building design, it is true that the two learn about building construction and other construction, but there are difference.
That's right, I see. You said that the every civil engineering graduate must have special skill, maybe? Can you please explain what these skills are?
Yes, in the world of civil engineering, there are several skills that you must master both academic and non-academic. For example, in academic, you must be able to master physical and mathematics, as well as non-academic. You must be able to have a leadership spirit and have the ability to communicate well.
I agree with you, Adit. I agree with you.
Adit, Mr. Adit Ainin, can I ask you, what is the type of jobs can civil engineering graduates do?
The types of what the civil engineering graduates can perform are as civil technician, water resource engineers, construction consultant, building construction supervisor, and control analysis. But it all comes back to ourselves. Is in what areas we are good at.
Oh, I wanna ask something about you. That is, can civil engineering graduates get a job at BUMN?
Of course you can. Every year, BUMN seek 1 until 2,000 civil engineering graduates to work in the construction sector. One of which is the property supervisor and investigation.
Okay, Mr. Adit. Mr. Adit, I want to know about something. How do you think about the change of civil engineering's graduate jobs from the past and from the future?
The problem of change from the past to present is clearly much different because in my opinion, the work of an engineer in the past must have been ever because the technology in the past was not as good as it is now. For the future, I think the work of an engineer is still the same as now because it is more effective to use digital.
Okay, everyone. And maybe to find a job that has a high income requires good knowledge and skill as well as being a great engineer. So that's from now really, so you can act with it. Okay, everyone. Thank you, Eko, Indri, Dika, and Tia. Thank you for our time, our opinion, and our argument. I have. This is not the last, but we can see anymore anytime, maybe. And then, thank you for today. See you on the next episode in the Smart Talk Show. Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye bye. Thank you.